I need cops to my house. I live at 8861. The father of my children just beat me and he's holding my 5-year-old.
8861, what's the name of the street, ma'am?
Globe Avenue.
And you said the father of your children hit you?
Yes.
And he's holding what?
He has my 5-year-old inside the house and doesn't let him go. No, but he is threatening that if the cops come, he's not going to go to jail.
Okay. And it's just, how old is your son that he has in the house?
5. Oh my God, he's burning my house, dude.
He's burning your house?
Are you kidding me? Yes, he's burning my house. Get over here now.
Okay, ma'am, we have deputies en route here. They're getting to you as quickly as possible. Okay, what is he holding?
Kitchen knife.
And he told you that he was going to kill himself?
Yeah, and he has a crack pipe, and he's hitting it in front of my son.
No, I'm tired.
You're gonna make it worse, bro.
No.
Just come talk to me.
I'm gonna go get. No, I know you guys take it out.
Let's keep them out. Let's keep them out.
No,
You don't want to see this. Let's keep
no, I do.
Come talk to me.
No, that's it, bro. I'm not being life.
What are you gonna do then?
I'm gonna kill me and my kid, honestly.
Don't do that. You've been doing.
I'm not gonna go to prison, and I'd rather. I'm telling you, I'm gonna die.
Good to you.
You're gonna come over here, dude. I'm being serious, bro. I'm not gonna go to prison. I'm telling you, I'm not gonna go to prison. And I'm talking.
Said 45, we just grabbed the knife and shut the window. Dude.
Come, bro. Hey, we're not. No. You guys want to disrespect me? I'll be serious. Come over here, bro. No, you guys, I'm being honest. I'm giving the respect. You guys want to be looking down? I'm not stupid, dog. I know this. No, you guys do. I'd rather you shoot me right now, dude.
I don't want to do that, man.
I want you to do that, bro.
I don't, man.
I don't want to go to prison, dog. No, I'm not gonna leave here dead. I'm gonna leave you dead. I'm telling you, I'm gonna go to prison. I'm telling you, I'm not gonna go to prison. That's what she want you money?
Nobody.
Take him outside.
Prison, dog? No, I'm not gonna leave here dead. I'm gonna leave you dead. I'm telling you, I'm gonna go to prison. I'm telling you, I'm not gonna go to prison. That's what she want you money?
Nobody.